Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something truly special. A plant that's been called the miracle tree for all the right reasons. Have you heard of Moringa? If not, you're in for a treat. Stick around to discover the amazing benefits of Moringa that might just blow your mind. Packed with nutrients. First up, Moringa is a nutritional powerhouse. It's loaded with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. Just a handful of Moringa leaves provides more vitamin C than oranges, more vitamin A than carrots, and more calcium than milk. That's right, this little leaf is like nature's multivitamin. Powerful antioxidant. Moringa is also rich in antioxidants, which are essential for fighting off free radicals in the body. This means it helps to reduce inflammation, protect your cells, and keep your immune system strong. Adding Moringa to your diet could be a simple way to give your health a boost. Supports brain health. Did you know that Moringa can support brain health? It's true. Moringa contains compounds that may improve memory and cognitive function. Plus, the antioxidants in Moringa help protect your brain from oxidative stress, which can reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. For those keeping an eye on their blood sugar, Moringa might be your new best friend. Studies suggest that Moringa can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a natural option to support a healthy metabolism. Whether you're managing diabetes or just want to prevent blood sugar spikes, Moringa could be beneficial. 5. Supports heart health. Host. Your heart will love Moringa too. It's been shown to reduce cholesterol levels, which can lower the risk of heart disease. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties can help keep your cardiovascular system in top shape. So, adding Moringa to your diet is a great way to support heart health naturally. 6. Promotes healthy skin and hair. Host. Moringa isn't just great for your insides, it's also fantastic for your skin and hair. The high levels of antioxidants and vitamins can help rejuvenate your skin, making it look more youthful and radiant. Moringa oil is also excellent for nourishing your hair, promoting growth, and keeping it shiny and healthy. 7. Boosts immunity. Host. Last but definitely not least, Moringa is a powerful immune booster. The combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants makes it a fantastic ally for keeping your immune system strong. Whether it's cold and flu season, or you just want to stay healthy year-round, Moringa has got you covered. Conclusion. Host. Who knew this humble plant could pack such a punch? From boosting your immunity to supporting your heart, skin, and brain health, Moringa is truly a miracle of nature. If you haven't tried it yet, now's the perfect time to start. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring nature's wonders.